3, 2, 1, let's go. What is up, family? Superhero Crypto Ninja here, bringing you another daily video where we review the newly listed coins on CoinMarketCap, trying to find the next 100x gem. Again, my name is Superhero Crypto Ninja, and make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification when we bring you daily videos, mostly around these new 100x potential projects, as well as the top stories in crypto. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yesterday we left off at step C, so go ahead and check that video if you haven't already. We found some amazing winners, including one badass dragon game and a potential upward competitor. So check out that video if you haven't. Today it looks like we have 12 projects to cover, so we'll go through these as fast as possible. Again, I don't want to waste any of your time. And let's get started. So first one is Doge. So Doge is here, inspired by Elon Musk's X holdings. So interesting. The design looks really good, very clean. I like it. Typically not into meme coins unless the design is like absolutely fantastic. And actually yesterday there was a meme coin called, I think it was Camel Coin. You could tell that they really knew what they're doing in terms of design, copywriting, and potentially marketing, which is kind of how I, as an angel investor, judge these new projects, at least initially. If they can't get those three components right, then it's gonna be very hard for them to succeed. So I don't consider meme coins a good investment. Obviously, very low percentage of your portfolio. But if they do the design right and the copywriting right, they have a lot of potential. So this looks pretty cool. So why Doge? Elon Musk is forming X Holdings, which is likely to consist of, I guess, all his holdings: Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, in a bid to consolidate all the individual companies. Okay, this is very cool. When did he post this, though? This was December 2020, so I don't know if it's still relevant. So they're trying to incorporate the farming, low tax, auto deflation, all the things that meme coins try to do nowadays. Okay, so here I absolutely love this. Like, if you're another project, please take note of this. Just like showing why you're better than all your competitors. So here they clearly do that. So they're saying that they're on the BNB chain, charting solutions, which the other ones don't have, which is cool. There's obviously there's some great projects that specifically follows this, so they help you chart out prices and stuff like that. NFT marketplace. I thought Shiba would have done it. Again, I'm not a SHIB holder, so if you're a SHIB holder, comment below. Does Shiba have NFT marketplaces, or don't they have that in the plan? These three aren't really like huge game changers for me. The logo does look cool, though it looks kind of like a Pokemon, so they nailed that. But these three I don't really care for, honestly. So looks cool. Okay, they only have 2 people on their team, which is not the best, and they don't have LinkedIn, so that's a little sketch. Otherwise, I kind of like this design and project. If you're part of the team and you're looking at this, please add your LinkedIn for credibility reasons. I might actually reach out to Ryan, so I'll leave that up there. Sorry, I'll just shoot him a quick message. All right, so I'll leave that up there in case we don't find any other crazy winners. Okay, next up we have Pollen coin. Okay, this is very generic ICO 2017 kind of look. Own your network. Okay. Introducing Pollen, the world's first decentralized mobile network that is built on the blockchain and owned operated. Okay, I still don't understand what this is. Try to make it less tech speak. So maybe something like, it looks like they're maybe are they a mobile SIM provider? Something like that. Mine crypto from your phone. Earn Pollen coin. Okay, see how it works. I think my computer just froze. Okay, sorry, it was a little bit slow. I had to pause there. So it looks like, yeah, they are a mobile network. I'd be curious where they're actually launching to. So I like the concept. Looks like they've put a lot of thought into this. I'd be curious like which country or area they're launching with. So I'm assuming that they're also competitively priced, with data being 50 cents for a gigabyte. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't see where they're actually launching though, but the design looks okay. I mean, very generic. I would probably look at changing that. If you're part of the team, let's see if they're doxed. Please reach out to me in the email in the description below. I'd love to potentially work with you guys. Your copywriting could be slightly better and a little bit clearer. Again, you want to speak to like you're speaking to your grandma, not like some sort of tech nerd. Yeah, it doesn't look like the team is doxed, at least not from what I can see. But cool project. I will leave this up there. I don't know if I haven't come across another project trying to do this, at least successfully. In fact, at all right now. So they also have an FAQ. Let's just check this out real quick. Again, you guys know that I love FAQs, especially if they answer obviously the most pressing questions, like what makes them unique, what is their vision, etc. So why do we need a new mobile network? The current system is broken, lack of privacy, poor coverage, and high costs. So what's unique about Pollen? This is perfect. Better coverage. So they pay users. I'd be curious to get my team to deep dive in on their tokenomics. Comment down below if you'd like to see a review on this. I'll review it if the team decides to reach out to me. Okay, so it looks like they've put a lot of thought into fixing a lot of the problems. I'm not going to read this all. So they're basically, this is a great question. If you're selling the hardware and managing the network's infrastructure, isn't that a centralized service? Initially, some of our services will be centralized because somebody has to do it. And then eventually, I guess they're going to move over to decentralization. So I actually like the problem that this is solving. I'm curious why the team's not doxed on here. I'm going to leave this up as a potential winner as well. Okay, next we have SteakHut Finance. Enjoy boosted yield, SteakHut. Okay, looks kind of weird. Yeah, this personally just isn't for me, even though it looks like the design is kind of funny and cool. And they have like, the community is called the Herd, I guess. I'm just not too interested in these type of projects, unfortunately, so I'll pass on this. Next we have Block Forest. You guys know that I like projects that really help humanity, so sustainability projects that actually solve a real world use case, not just like make money in DeFi, etc., meme coins, all that stuff. Okay, so we have Block Forest here. Transaction destruction, strong deflationary mechanism. I always stay clear of projects which first value proposition is like deflation or high APY, all that stuff. I don't really care. I care about what you're doing for humanity. Yeah, they're just talking about all their rewards and dividends. Okay, this looks scammy. I would not invest in this. Pass. Next up, we have Blockify.Games. Real-time blockchain gaming. We bring real-time games you've come to love onto the blockchain. No more term-based mind-numbing games just to make money. We will help studios make the transition and bring proper blockchain games. Okay, so if they can pull this off, like obviously bring big studios into blockchain, that's great. But given this like design, I don't know if they can do that. Again, I say this all the time. Left align your body font. It's very hard to read when it's center aligned. Studies show that left aligned body font is going to get a lot higher read through rate. So Slay to Earn, RPG game. That's their tech demo. Just a lot of text. I would prefer a video showing this. Again, if they can't pull off something like translating this in a quick way, look how much reading I have to do. Like this is almost like a white paper, which was cool in 2017, but not so much for now if you want mass adoption. So if they can't pull this off, I don't know if they're going to be able to help other games. But let's just take a look at the quick tech demo. I think this is Unity. I'm not too sure. And hopefully this doesn't slow my computer down too much. Okay, looks like they need me to connect my wallet, which I will not do, especially for a game that I don't really know or trust. I don't recommend you guys do that either, unless you have like a dummy account. The team isn't doxed on here either, which is a little bit sketch. For that reason, I'm going to pass. Plus, their design sucks, so I don't know if they can actually help other game companies. All right, next up, Bikerush. Bikerush is a ride to earn. Okay, we've seen a bunch of these. The design looks very simple. Okay, cool. Welcome to join us. Users are equipped with NFT bikes, I assume. So again, people copying STEPN. This looks pretty cool though. The design is okay. These are not clickable though. Maybe they're a little bit too early. Okay, again, these profiles suck. They need to link to their LinkedIns. Again, what makes you guys unique? Because too many of these. So for that reason, I'm gonna pass. The design is meh. It doesn't look very complete. Maybe if they update it and they contact me, I'll do another full review. But I like the name, Bikerush. I think the name is a huge part of whether it makes or breaks your company, as well as the design. I'd love to see their NFTs, but if they look as simple as this, which is what we've seen for the last couple cycling ride to earns, I don't know if they're going to do the best. Like STEPN looks really cool. They set the benchmark for unique NFTs and a game mechanism that, although a Ponzi scheme, seems to have worked out for now. All right, next up we have Pikaster? Pikachu? Oh, this looks fun. Wow. But is this not copying Pokemon? Pika Masters, we are waiting for you. I'm gonna turn off the music. Okay, this looks really well designed, but again, aren't you infringing on Pokemon somewhat? Okay, this is a horrible way to just show your roadmap. I was gonna say the design is cool, but look at this. This is very hard to read. There's also no team. As cool as this looks, I just don't know if people are gonna want to trust this. I'm gonna leave this up there, and maybe because you guys know I love investing, especially at really low market caps. If the game has any potential, gaming tokens are obviously the hot trend in crypto. We're hoping that it separates from Bitcoin, but I don't think it will or has in the next couple of years until we get a real big hit in terms of games. But cool looking game. I'll leave it up there. Next up, we have Ride to Earn. Just calling it what it is hilarious. Okay, now these look a little bit cooler, less cartoony, so I like this. Join today, earn, ride, RD2E. Okay, the branding looks pretty cool. The copywriting looks really bad. Is this like done by a company that doesn't speak English, unfortunately? Because it says experience just for rider offer. Yeah, that's really bad. Ride to earn, ride mode. This team needs a lot of help with their copywriting. Their design looks pretty slick though. I will admit that. And the bikes look pretty badass. Can you actually buy them right now? No, this doesn't do anything. So maybe they're a little bit too early, yeah. I like it though. I like the design. And a 10-second video is going to attract nobody. So fail on that. Also, there's no team. As beautiful and cool as this looks, until they get a little bit more traction and they put the team up. If you're watching this, maybe just contact me. Maybe I can help you with the copywriting. But I love the branding. That's about it. I'm going to pass on this though. All right, next up we have Metahub coin. Metahub, the world's first Lego style NFT trading platform. Okay, this is cool. If you can create, build on your NFTs, which I think a few companies do. I can't think of any off the top of my head though. That's a unique thing. The design looks pretty slick. Probably don't have your text on top of the background here. So when you start with this, like talking about super nodes and like numbers, like who fucking cares, to be honest? Nobody cares about this. I'm gonna pass on this. They clearly don't know how to translate. You have 30 seconds to capture somebody's attention, and you haven't done that for me. So pass. Next up, we have Diamond Love. Okay. To bring unconditional love to everyone in the world. So, I used to believe in unconditional love. I think all love is a little bit conditional now. Only God's love is kind of unconditional, but human love is mostly conditional. Okay, they look a little bit too early. It looks like a blog that isn't finished yet, so I'll pass on this. Next up, we have Bomb US Money. Okay, I'm gonna pass on this because it's asking me to install MetaMask and it's bombing US money, so I don't know. All right, next up, last up, we have Ryu. So Ryu equals responsible energy use. Okay, I like sustainability projects. This design looks like it's pretty rough. Centered around the idea of perpetual finance. Don't know what that means. When you have to put quotes around a term, and that's the first thing you lead with, you guys need a lot of help. And then telling people to buy. Again, love sustainability projects. Looks like the team is here. They don't have LinkedIn's though. If you're part of the team, please reach out to the email below. Maybe I'll have a quick call with you guys and just ask you guys what you are about, but you guys need a lot of help. I'm seeing this a lot in the sustainability space. They just really don't understand like marketing, copywriting, and making a business go viral, unfortunately, but they do have really good intentions for the most part. For that reason, I'm going to pass on this for now. Okay, so today we have 3 potential winners. We have X Doge, which looks like if Elon Musk makes any movement towards merging his companies into one holding company, this coin is going to absolutely take off. So, and the design and copywriting looks pretty slick. So for that reason, I like it. Then we have Pollen coin, which looks like it's trying to do something with mobile networks. So if they can do a decentralized kind of mobile network, that'd be very powerful. Again, a big feat. So I don't know if they can, but even if they track or catch any traction, they'll do pretty well, I think. And then last up, we have Pikaster, which is a beautiful kind of maybe a knockoff version of Pokemon, which I don't know legally if it's good to do, but if the game catches any traction again, gaming tokens will explode in price. So 3 winners for today. Take care, guys. God bless. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.